Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Let's look at OxygenOS 10.3.9 port running on Xiaomi POCO F1. The ROM is based upon Android 10. In this video, we will discuss about day-to-day possibility of this ROM as well as the gaming. At the end, we will discuss about all cons and pros of this ROM. So, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. As usual, I'll be starting with About Phone session. As you see, the ROM is OxygenOS 10.3.9 and it is based upon Oneplus 6. The security patch they are using is 1st Feb 2021 and the kernel is AMOG 787, which is a balanced kernel. When it comes to security, the ROM does has all the features including IR face unlock, fingerprint and more. The fingerprint works pretty faster as well as the face unlock. I didn't face any issues with any of these options here. Keep in mind that the ROM does not support IR face unlock and the ROM is not encrypted out of the box. Under utility settings, you will get the option for clone apps, app lock and more. It is the same as normal Oneplus settings. And system settings include reset, backup, multi-user management, OTA update and more. Keep in mind that OTA update here is not going to work since this build is not from Oneplus itself. Developer options here allow you to hide notch, which works pretty well. I haven't noticed any bugs or jitters after enabling it. So now under customization settings, you will get all tweaks towards theming like dark mode switching, wallpaper, clock style, button settings and icon settings and more. Everything else here looks like exact same as Oneplus 6 OxygenOS. When it comes to benchmark, Antutu scores 3,69,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 527 and multi-core 1913, which are pretty decent scores. The ROM does not comes with rooted out of the box, but safety net checks fails and the device is not Google Play Protect certified. But I believe that the safety net can be passed by the help of Majestic if you want to. QoS panel does not include any mind-blowing number of tiles. The screen recorder is present and it does not support microphone and system audio recording at a time. Since it is a port from Oneplus 6, there is no extra feature like FPS or any other tiles are present here. The app opening animations are pretty smoother and ROM does has a call recorder in dialer, which works pretty great. As far I tested microphone and speaker sounds are decent. There is no presence of Dolby Atmos for now. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get into gaming test. FPS and screen recorder will be enabled. Meantime, let's talk about the cons of this ROM. The first one is failed safety net checks and no presence of Google Play product certification. And the second, camera application is not present. You need to rely on Gcam or any other cam applications. Third one is battery consumption was bit more than the other ROMs. You may hardly get 7 hours of SOT with average gaming. The fourth one, there is no presence of screen recorder which allow you to record internal audio plus microphone at a time. Now let's talk about the pros of this ROM. First one is that the ROM is part of Oneplus 6 OxygenOS. So it is bloatware free and very optimized for Snapdragon 845. Second one is that the call recorder is present and it works very well. Third one, UI experience is really great. And the last one, even though battery consumption is bit more, gaming experience was really great. There is not much of heating issues. So to conclude, another great ROM for POCO F1. Great UI experience, stability and good gamer. If you try this ROM for sure. So that will do it for today. If you like my work, hit that like and subscribe button. Till next time, be safe and